Hello everyone, welcome to 9mclasses. Today we are going to listen a beautiful story, that's The Proud Rose, and I will ask you to make this story listen to everyone, be it a small little child or your siblings or to your colleagues. Okay? So, as the story begins. Once upon a time, in a desert far away, there was a rose who was so proud of her beautiful looks. Her only complaint was growing next to an ugly cactus. Every day, the beautiful rose would insult and mock the cactus on his looks, all while the cactus remained quiet. All the other plants nearby tried to make the rose see sense, but she too swayed by her own looks. One scorching summer, the desert became dry, and there was no water left for the plants. The rose quickly began to wilt. Her beautiful petals dried up, losing her lush color. Looking to the cactus, she saw a sparrow dip his beak into the cactus to drink some water. Though ashamed, the rose asked the cactus if she could give her some water. The kind cactus readily agreed, helping them both through the tough summer as friends. So here the moral of the story is, never judge anyone by the way they look. So now let's see the difficult words in this story. First, swayed, swayed, remained, remained, lush, ashamed, scorching, scorching, wilt, sparrow dip, readily. So yes, as you know, to know the meaning of these words, go and check out these meanings in the 9M application and learn. Happy learning! And don't forget to subscribe, comment and like.